friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Kissy Missy from Poppy Playtime 4. So first let's get started with the head, and in the center we're going to curve this line up and then out. And then from that point on the side we're just going to curve this line back in. Now from here, from that point, we're going to curve this line back out and then in. Moving down again, let's replicate that. And then again, one more time, we're just going to bring this line out towards the side. Now from here, we're going to start from that point, curving this line around and then in towards the middle. Moving up from the eyes now, from the center to the right, we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our right eye. And then leaving a gap moving over on the left. Let's replicate that. Now from here on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to draw in a circle right in the center. On the top right-hand side now, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight of the eye. And then underneath on the left, we're going to draw in a curved line for the pupil. In the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up for the eyelash. And then on both sides, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out. Now that our eyes are drawn in, we're going to come down and draw in the mouth. So we're going to start by drawing in a nice big curved line, arching that up and over towards our right eye. And then from the side, we're going to curve this line around and then back in towards the middle. And then now in the center of the mouth, we're just going to draw in a nice big curved line, bringing that up towards the side. We're going to draw in the splatter pattern on the left now, so we're going to curve this line down and in towards our left eye. We'll continue to bring this down. We're going to draw two curved lines as we come down on our mouth. And then we're going to arch this line out towards the bottom. On the top left-hand side now, we're going to draw in a wavy line as we come all the way up and then over on the side. Now we're going to draw in the arm in the sling. So coming over towards the center, we're going to draw in a curved line that arches out. Then we're going to step across on the right, curving that further down towards the bottom. We're going to close that off with a curved line from left to right. Moving up, drawing in another curved line. And then as we come across, we're just going to draw in some diagonal lines as we come all the way up on the top. Now from here, we're going to move up and draw in the arm. So we're going to draw this bent. So we're going to curve this around and then in towards the sling. On the top, we're going to curve this over. On the side, stepping across, curving this line up. Now from here, closing off the top of the arm, we're going to arch this line around and then in. Closing off the side of the torso, curving that line up. Now in our sling, we're going to curve this line over. And then again, we're going to draw in some diagonal lines as we come all the way across on the right. Now let's continue to bring our arm over. So we're going to draw in a small line that comes out. For the pinky, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then again, as we move across, just arching this line around and then in towards the top. Let's draw in the board underneath the hand now. So we're going to bring this line across and then bringing this further out towards the left and then back up. We're going to draw in the splatter pattern again. So we're going to draw in a wavy line as we come all the way up and over towards the top. Let's draw in a zigzag pattern now for the wrist as we come all the way over. Closing off the torso, let's curve this line up. Let's draw in our arm now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line around and then down. We'll do the same thing as we move over on the inside. Now from that point, we're just going to curve this line down And then on the right again, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And now again, let's draw in a zigzag pattern as we come all the way over on the side. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line in. And then for our first finger, just arching this line back up again. And then one last time as we move over, bringing that up on the top. Now let's draw in our legs. So in the center, we're going to draw in a small arch line. On both sides, we're just going to curve this line out. Moving down, we're going to bring in this diagonal line in towards the middle. Let's come out on the side, curving this line out again. And then on that side, we're just going to continue to curve this further out on a diagonal. And now for the ankles, let's close this off with a zigzag pattern like we did for the wrist. Now let's draw in the feet. So we're going to arch this line in. For our first toe, we're going to curve this line around. And now moving across again, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. And that is it. That's how you draw Kissy Missy from Poppy Playtime 4. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.